Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is coffee order, and let me give the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire height include the cap's top about like 18.5 inches tall, and the depth of the units includes the faucets at the front. It's about like 12 inches. So this is the 9 liters of the units, and the converted is about like a 2.4 gallons for the units. And we can see the front of the unit have the indicator lights and switches, power on and off. And they do having the small levels here to modifying how many waters to put in. And this top have a cap locks, so you need to twist it and open it. And when we look in the behind of the unit, we can see the ETL sanitation stickers on it. And the unit is using standard 110 plugs, and the power is about like 950 watts. So this is how it looks like the standard plugs at this way. And the inner side, we can see they're having a small caps here to holding all the coffees. And when we're trying to measure the inner side, we can see the diameters for the inner side is almost about like 8.5 inches diameters. And the overall height is about like 10.5 inches tall. Now looking the inner side, using the all stainless steel materials, and they have a small tube connect with the front switchers, and you can just get a coffee from these positions. And that's what will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.